Welcome to our virtual open house of the State Tested Nurse Aide program. I'm here with Wendy Poland, and she's one of our STNA instructors. Wendy, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Okay, my name is Wendy Poland. I started my career in 1988 as a nurse aide, and in 1991 I got my LPN license, and in 2009 I got my RN license. I have, of course, my RN license. I also have the Train the Trainer certification to be able to teach this class, and also I have a Resident Assessment Coordinator certification that allows me to help with the reimbursement and the MDS process in long-term care. I started teaching here at Madison in January of 2018 and thoroughly enjoy the students and being able to teach them and show them things about the STNA program.
Great. Wendy, what kind of skills are they going to learn if they take this class?
Well, as you can see right now, we're getting ready to transfer. They're going to transfer a resident, well, a student, but resident, would be like, we simulate like it would be at the facilities and getting prepared to take that state test. So over here, she's going to transfer using a walker. Over here, she's going to transfer into the wheelchair. Many different skills get taught to be able to take that state test. In the end, we want everybody to have their STNA, State Tested Nurse Aide certification through the state. Thank you.
So if someone is interested in an STNA program, how long does it take to finish?
Our program here at Madison is 96 hours, so it depends if it's an evening or a day program, as we offer both. Normally, our daytime program is roughly about 4 weeks. We run 5 hours a day, 5.5 hours a day. And our evening program, with it being evening, it runs approximately about 6 weeks. We meet about 4.5 hours per evening, and it only meets 4 evenings a week. So we lose some of that time versus our daytime class. So it just depends on, a lot of times it's what works for the students and their schedule, since we seem to offer the programs both day and evening.
We do go above the state minimum requirements during our program, and all of the fees for the books, the testing, the CPR and first aid, all of that's included in our tuition. We do have some scholarships available to help people that might need some financial assistance paying for it. So if you're interested, give us a call.